What is up, you guys? First off, let me say that I appreciate all the love I've gotten on my last video, and today is going to be a fun day because today is going to be a hair video. Yep, you heard it. It's been a while since I've done another hair video, and it's going to be on my mom because she's got an interview coming up on Friday, so we got to do her hair. We're taking her emerald green, and it should be a lot of fun. I will be using Pulp Riot, so it should look beautiful. I'm excited about it. If you're wondering why my hair looks like a big fro, it was intentional, just so you know. I like big hair. What can I say? Well, guys, I am heading to the salon right now. I have one client before my mom, and I'm going to go ahead and bang that on out and then show you guys what's going to happen with my mom. I think it should be a lot of fun, and I hope you guys enjoy. So, I will see you when I get there. Alright, guys, so before I even start the lifting process of her roots or anything else, I'm going to use, this is the Malibu Crystal Gel Treatment. It preps hair for all chemical services, removes buildup and discoloration, and it saves time and prevents redos, which it really does. It's 100% vegan as well. Here's the instructions if you're wondering on how to do it. There we go. So I'm going to do that first to get rid of some of this tint on the end right here, and then also get rid of some of this blue right here. And we will be doing, I'll show you right now, Nightfall by Pulp Riot, semi-permanent. It's really awesome shit. So let's get started, right, Mom? She's playing her game. Alright, guys, so we made the crystal gel, and you don't have to separate in like super small sections. I'm just focusing on this mid section, really, the mid to ends, to get rid of some of this like yellowy, like greenish tinge. So this is going to help with that, and it's going to get rid of some of the buildup that she's had in there. So it's not just like that, and then just emulsify it in there. Sounds really gross. You just emulsify all of it. Now, typically before you bleach someone's scalp, you're not supposed to shampoo their hair, but I'm using a very low volume on her bleach, so it's not going to be too bad on her, and it's not going to sit for very long either. It's mostly if like they have sensitive scalp not to do that, but if it's not that bad, then you should be fine. We just wanted to get some of this buildup off, so it's more of a clean slate, so that's why. And you just repeat this all through the top portion. So I'm just going to split the sides off and put this little piece up. Same thing here. It doesn't need to be super perfectly sectioned off. I just need to get most of those ends in there. Mostly where you see the darkness meet that light blue, that's where we're going to get rid of that. And this sits in the dryer, like under the dryer, for just about 35 to 45 minutes, depending on how much it needs personally. I usually do 35 minutes to 40 just because it doesn't need that long. And yeah, just repeat that step. Just keep going with it. Yeah. Alright, guys, so I applied all of the crystal gels, put it in a cap, and now it's going to be time for just about 40 minutes. So she'll be sitting like this for 40 minutes, and then we're going to rinse it out, and I'm going to cut off what we're not going to use, and I'm going to refine it afterwards, and like cut off her ends, and then start her roots. So yeah. Alright, guys, so I've already bleached the back portions of her roots. You can already see it's already lifting. I only use 20 volume just because I need a little bit of bump, but I want her roots to be a little bit darker than her ends, which is why I'm not taking it very, very light. I washed out the crystal gels, and that's what made it. It looks nasty because I wasn't able to put conditioner in it, because when it comes to bleaching or even the fun colors, you're not supposed to condition until afterwards. So this is just a bleach. I'm just applying it to the roots so we get that nice lift. I'm running the front parts, and I did take off a good amount of her hair. I just chopped off a good portion of what I wasn't going to put color on because I didn't want to waste any. And then after I do the color and everything, and I condition it out and everything, I'm supposed to shampoo it. When I condition the actual color out, then I'm gonna go ahead and cut it and like really refine it, give her some layers in there. The goal is to get her curls back. So that's what our goal is this time. So wish us luck. I'm pretty sure with our products that it should be fine. She already got like a wave coming back when I was just drying it without any conditioner. So that's good. You can already see it starting a little bit. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. I'm just gonna keep putting the lightener on the roots. I can show you exactly what I mean when I do it. I'm gonna bring a little bit this way. So you can see, mom in your head. So here's about an inch, almost an inch and a half, just about a little bit where it's meeting that blue. And I take the lightener and I just apply it right to where it meets it, right there. I'm not overlapping, I'm not overdoing it. You just need to do just a little bit right on top of it. So that way there's no dark line that's left there. There's no overlapping, there's no breakage. So gotta be really careful when it comes to bleach. All right, guys, so I've already lifted her roots. I washed them out. So the front, right here in the front, let me show you. Right here in the front, see where it's like super white? That's because she's naturally gray right there. So that's why it lifts a little bit higher. So of course it's not gonna be extremely even because I want her to be like a nice yellowy, orangey kind of color to hold that color just a little bit more. And of course her ends, I got most of that grainy blue out, just a smidge. I didn't get all of it out, but I got a good amount. And I cut off a good portion of the hair. I'll cut it again after I do the color, but this is the color that we got. It's really beautiful. It's called, was it Nightfall? Mm-hmm. Nightfall from Pulp Riot. I'll link it down in the description below what it is. Only professionals can usually get it depending on what state you're in, but that's pretty like the same all the time. After I washed her out, I put this in the ends. It just is really good for the porosity. And I blow dried most of it. So now we're gonna go ahead and apply the color. you the color. Just know that we're trying to get her curls back to like their natural curls. So it's not gonna be perfect right now, but we cut off a lot of hair. See? I didn't record the cut because I'm not like trying to teach you how to cut right now. But there's from before, there's after the color. You guys ready? I have the flat, like the light on, so you can see it better in this room. But it took really nice. Like this is really pretty. She's got some wave back. I put in some products in for her to air dry it, so it's nice and curly probably tomorrow. She's got an interview, so it's gonna be nice. It's gonna look nice. But this is the color, you guys. I think the color came out really nice. It's a little different on the ends, but not very much. I'm happy it took the way it did. In person, it looks perfectly like even, which is awesome. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed that. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed that video of the color. I know I didn't give like super in-depth detail, but I thought you guys might enjoy me just kind of going over what I do to achieve all these fun colors. Yes, my hands are blue. It will stay in it for probably like a couple days of that, probably come off. But if you guys enjoyed that, please go ahead and give it a like. And if you want to see more videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. And I just want to tell you guys I appreciate you for watching my stuff. And I'll see you on the next video.